in Code with Hubble Apps. Today's lesson is UIScrollView. So let's start. First, we have create lazy scroll view, UIScrollView. Let scroll view, UIScrollView, and written as a scroll view. So scroll view dot auto resizing mask constant as a false, and adding as in view as a subview scroll view, and nslayout.active scroll view dot top anchor constraint view dot top anchor as a 0, and copy and paste. So leading, paste here, trailing is a paste here, and bottom is like as a bounds constraint apply, and create stack view, UI stack view. Let stack view, UI stack view dot axis as a vertical, stack view dot distribution as a fill, stack view dot auto resizing mask constraint as a false, view dot alignment dot fill, and return SV, and SV spacing as a 0. Scroll view add as a full constraint, apply like as a bounce and as a scroll view. Stack view and stack view dot width anchor constraint view dot width anchor, sorry, is a multiplier 1, and height anchor adding insert to view and scroll view. So lazy view red, sorry, UI view dot load let view. So UI view written as a view, and view dot mask as false, and view dot background as red, and adding as a stack view add arrange, and view red height anchor is a constraint is 200, and run our project. So let's see what we are showing result in display. This is you. Sorry, I have some mistakes. So we are not need this height anchor. Run. This is our 200 heights red view. Adding inside bottom image view. So UI image view. Let image view dot UI image view is the image name and image view. So image view auto resizing mask as false, and I have already assets image, copy and paste name here, and adding UI image view as a stack view, add arrange view inside the as a stack view. But we are need to apply heights image view height increase 250 and run our project. So this is view and image view. Increase the our height is 300 and adding spacing as 20. Run and check the result. This is our image and UI view. Adding map. Let's see. This is a map view. UI map view. MK map view. So we are need import map kit and access MK map view. Let map MK map view map auto resizing mask as false and map apply height constraint is a 400 and maybe not 400 but we are as a height constraint as a map view width anchor as a height angle. So like this where our map adding as a arrange view inside the stack view. So this is map view is working. Scroll view to work adding our long page to inside our scroll view design. So this image, map and lots of other things, filter data and sign up page, login page we are making inside the scroll view. So thank you for watching this video, like video and subscribe this channel, hit the notification bell, you will get notification my latest video. Thank you.